Hi everyone, it's Anna from Tech Hut, and today I'm going to be adding LEDs to the underside of my desk. The LEDs I will be using are from IKEA and they are called the Dia multicoloured lighting strip kit. They come with a pretty long 3-metre cable and a dial to change the settings and colours of the lights. To attach the LEDs, I'm going to be using some hook and loop Velcro strips that can be cut to size. You can purchase a pack of hook and loop like this, usually from your local home retail store. I'm also going to be using some small cable ties to try and secure the cables. So now I'm just going to cut the Velcro into 2 small strips so it can stick to the back of both LED light strips. So now I'm just going to stick the 2 LED strips to the underneath of my desk. Then I am going to plug them into an extension lead and try to tie some of the cables together. I don't have that many cable ties, so the cable management is fairly poor, but hopefully in the future I will be able to sort the cables out better. Now I'm going to cut a small rectangle of Velcro so I can attach the LED remote to the underneath of my desk, and because it's Velcro I can pull it off whenever I want to change the colour of the LEDs. So here is just a closer look showing you how I exactly have installed the LEDs remote and cables. In my opinion, I really like the way the LEDs look, especially in the dark. On the LEDs I am using, there are a few different modes, such as flash mode, where it just continuously jumps through all of the colours quickly, a fade mode where it fades slowly through all of the different colours and shades, and you can also just use the dial on the remote to have the LEDs stay on your chosen colour. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comment section down below whether you would like to see more videos of me trying to improve and enhance my desk setup. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this.